This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept double array and double value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array. It has 4 double values. Then I am displaying the double array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing double array and value to be filled as 8.2. So what this fill method will do is it fill the double array content with 8.2. After fill method is called, I am displaying the double array content. And here you can see double array is filled with 8.2. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.